Yes, chef.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to make Nasi Goreng. Here are the ingredients that you need. Cooked rice, salt and pepper to taste, carrots, sesame oil, cooking oil, spring onion, shrimp, fresh egg, chicken, beans, dark soy sauce, ketchup manis, chilies and coriander, garlic and onion. Crush the garlic and chop into small pieces. Slice the medium-sized onion. Chop the carrot into small pieces. Chop the beans and spring onion. Slice the fresh red chili. And now we can start cooking. Place the pan into medium heat. Put a little bit of oil. Cook the fresh egg. Once it's cooked, set it aside. Place the wok into a high heat. Add the cooking oil. Add the fresh chicken. Add the shrimp. Set aside 3 pieces of shrimp for the garnish. Add the garlic and onions. Put the dark soy sauce. Add the ketchup manis. Add the carrots and beans. Stir fry in a minute. Add the cooked rice and toss. Add the sesame oil, fresh chilies, and spring onion. Season with salt and pepper. And this is a simple way to present the dish. I hope you enjoyed watching. Full list of the ingredients is found in the description below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.